And now viewers, let's talk about a major shake-up in the global entertainment industry. Netflix has now struck a $72 billion deal to acquire Warner Bros. Discovery in what insiders call one of Hollywood's biggest deals of the decade. Now, according to exclusive details shared with Reuters, this process began as a simple fact-finding mission but then escalated quickly once Warner Bros. Discovery launched an auction on October 21st. So let me walk you through the process on exactly how the Netflix struck this deal. Now, the studio had already rejected three unsolicited offers, first from Paramount and then from Skydance. Netflix here then saw a strategic opportunity. Not just Warner Bros. Vast library, which of course drives most streaming viewership, but also its theatrical distribution arm, its century-old studio, and the potential to accelerate HBO Max's growth using Netflix's streaming expertise. So the competition here was fierce. Paramount raised its bid to $78 billion, while Comcast proposed a mega merger that would rival, in fact, Disney. But Warner Bros. Board had concerns around financing and also long timelines. Now, behind the scenes, Netflix and its advisors held daily calls even through Thanksgiving to finalize a bidding deal. In fact, Warner Bros. Board also met every day for a week, and then what sealed the deal was the fact it was in Netflix's confidence. It offered one of the largest breakup fees in M&A history, $5.8 billion, signaling it believed regulators would approve this acquisition. And then, late Thursday night, Netflix learned that its offer had been accepted, a moment greeted by cheers from executives who had believed that their chances were only 50-50. Now, viewers, this acquisition is set to reshape Hollywood, bringing a legendary studio directly under the control of one of the world's biggest streaming platform. But the Netflix and Warner Bros. Deal also faces serious hurdles. Antitrust concerns and a growing pushback from the theatre industry are expected to trigger intense scrutiny from the U.S. Department of Justice. In fact, the Directors Guild of America and Cinema United have also publicly opposed this merger. They have warned that Netflix could in fact shrink the theatrical to streaming window and also harm movie theatres. So the deal at this point must still secure approvals in the United States, European Union and several other key markets before it can officially close. So that's the process through which Netflix struck one of the biggest deals of this decade. In fact, acquiring Warner Bros. Studio. But at this point, we are given to understand that there are still hurdles before they finally close in on this deal. It will still require approvals in the United States, the European Union, and several other key markets.